Welcome to Nelson Cabinetry's Beginner's Guide to 2020 Design Software. In Lesson 1, we created a basic L-shaped kitchen by adding walls, cabinets, and appliances. In this lesson, we will be picking up from where we left off and learning how to add a sink, countertop, top moldings, toe kicks, backsplash, and flooring. Now, please open your 2020 design program and let's start designing. The first step is to add the sink. In the toolbar, select Items and click on the faucet icon. A pop-up menu will appear with plumbing fixtures. Please select Sink. Our clients usually request the undermount sink, and in the menu option, you can choose several different sizes. For our design, the best fit is the 34-inch sink. Once you have selected the sink, hover above the sink base and left-click to drop it inside the cabinet. The next step is to add the countertops, top molding, and toe kicks. In the toolbar, select Countertops and Trims. Make sure to select all three items in the pop-up menu and click Add for the program to automatically insert all three items. Changing the default countertops is very simple. Right-click anywhere on the countertop area and select Square Foot Top, Attributes, and a pop-up menu with attributes should appear. Please click on the Variables tab and select the color in the Countertop Textures variable. The default catalog comes with several options, but we recommend importing your own textures. Our favorite countertop is Calicotta Marble, and it goes great with white and gray cabinets. Importing your own textures is easy to do and will be covered in a following lesson. If you have any cabinets separated from the main countertop area, you will have to manually change the attributes to it as well. In our instance, the base 09 is separated from the main countertop area by the range. Thus, we have to repeat the steps in order to change the countertop for this area as well. After adding the sink and countertop, the next step is to create the backsplash. In order to access the elevation view, please left-click on the dotted line and a split screen should appear. In the toolbar, select Surface, and in the upper split screen, outline the area where you want the backsplash to be applied to. A pop-up menu for attributes of surface will appear. If you would like to change the texture, open the Variables tab. Click on the texture color and several options will appear. Again, we recommend importing your own texture. Our favorite backsplash texture is Subway Tile, as it nicely complements white and gray cabinets. Please make sure to repeat the same steps for all the walls. Once you are done, exit out of the split screen by selecting Room Layout in the toolbar and selecting Delete Elevation. The last step is to add flooring. Go to the toolbar, select Items, Surfaces, and outline the area where you want the flooring to be applied to. We recommend selecting the perimeter of the room. Once the area is selected, a pop-up menu for attributes of surface will appear. If you would like to change the texture, in the Variables tab, click on the texture color and several options will appear. Again, we recommend importing your own texture. Our favorite flooring texture is hardwood, as it provides a nice contrast for white and gray cabinets. There you have it, a quick lesson in upgrading the kitchen design for your customer. If you would like additional training, please subscribe to our channel for more quick guides or send us a message at info@nelsonkb.com for one-on-one training.